Have you ever felt like you're this close to figuring your life out? Somehow the more you think, the worse it gets? Yeah, that's me. Because what if the problem isn't confusion? What if you're actually too good at thinking? Yeah, don't get too cocky. Hold on. In machine learning, there's this thing called overfitting. It's when a model becomes so over-optimized for every scenario that it stops working in the real world. Now, this isn't a coding problem, right? This is a you problem. If you're a smart, creative, introspective person, you don't fail because you're lost. You fail because you see too many valid paths. So you optimize, you research, you think deeper, and somehow nothing moves. So here's the uncomfortable truth, which I love. You're not indecisive. You're overfitted. You're trying to design a life that preserves every possible future version of you, which means you never collapse into one. But progress doesn't come from clarity, it comes from constraint. In complex systems, nothing evolves without constraint. No pressure, no structure, no limits, no change. Your problem isn't that you don't know what to do. It's that nothing is forcing you to become anything. Freedom doesn't equal progress. So here's the reframe that changed everything, at least for me. You don't need clarity, you need constraints. You don't find purpose. You choose rules, you choose a path, and you let meaning emerge. When you limit your options, your brain stops spiraling and actually starts building. So here's the experiment I want you to try. Pick one rule, one platform, one output metric for 90 days. Commit to that shit. No pivots, no rebrands, no overthinking, no existential reevaluation. You're not choosing your destiny. Remember that. You're just choosing a constraint. You don't need to find yourself. You need to limit yourself long enough for something real to emerge. Clarity isn't found, it's revealed after commitment. So pick a constraint, live inside it, and see what grows. That's it. I hope this hits. Till next time, take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.